Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. Before presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Rifa Kotrunida. I'm from Counseling Guidance C. In this chance, I would like to present about social counseling guidance. The aim of this presentation is to know how to social well. Firstly, I would like to explain about guidance and counseling is a combination of two words, namely the words guidance and counseling. The two seem to have become an inseparable unit. If guidance includes all kinds of counseling, then counseling is narrow in scope. All kinds of counseling are included in guidance, but not all guidance is counseling. Guidance and counseling are assistance service for students, but both individually and in groups, to be able to be independent and develop optimally in the fields of personal life development, social life, learning abilities, and career planning through various types of service and support activities based on norms, applicable norms. Secondly, some definition of guidance and counseling according to several expert and government regulations. First, according to Frank Bresson 1951, guidance is assistance given to individuals to choose, prepare for, and assume an obvious and get progress in the vocation chosen. Secondly, according to Chisholm, guidance helps individuals to better recognize various information about themselves. Bernard and Fulmer 1969. Guidance is an activity aimed at increasing the personal realization of each individual. Matheson 1969. Guidance is education and development that emphasizes a systematic learning process. A. Jamhur and Mohsurya. Guidance is a continuous and systematic process of giving individuals to solve problems they face. Government Regulation No. 29 of 1919 concerning secondary education, guidance is assistance given to students in order to find themselves, get to know the environment, and plan for the future. Third, guidance is the entire program or all activities and services in educational institutions that are directed at helping individuals so that they can develop an development plans and make adjustments in all aspects of their daily lives. Guidance is a special service that is different from other fields of education. Definition of counseling according to expert. Firstly, according Rogers, counseling is a series of direct relationships with individuals that aims to assist in changing attitudes and behavior. Secondly, according Hassan, counseling is the process of helping individuals learn about themselves, their environment, and methods for dealing with roles and relationships. Even if the individual has a counseling problem, it doesn't have to be remedial. Counselors can help an individual with the decision-making process in educational and vocational matters and resolve interpersonal problems. Definition of social counseling guidance. Social guidance means a guidance or assistance in dealing with and solving social problems such as education, conflict resolution, adjustment, and so on. Social guidance also means guidance or assistance from mentors to individuals in order to create a person who is able to socialize and adapt to their environment well. Definition of social counseling guidance according to experts. Firstly, according to Jumhur and Surya, social guidance is guidance that aims to assist individuals in solving and overcoming difficulties in social problems so that individuals are able to adapt properly and naturally in the social environment. Secondly, reference to the above opinion Andi Mapier 1919 over. A guidance is said to be social guidance if the emphasis of guidance is more directed at effort to reduce social problems. Aspects of social guidance. In addition to problems involving himself, individuals are also faced with problems related to other people. In other words, there are individual problems that are personal and some are social. Sometimes individuals experience difficulties or problems in their relationship with other individuals or their social environment. This problem can arise because individuals are less able or fail to relate to their social environment that is not in accordance with their counterparts. Individual problems related to their social environment, for example, firstly, difficulty in friendship, difficulty making friends, feeling isolated in group activities, difficulty getting adjustment in group activities, difficulty in realizing a harmonious relationship in the family, difficulty in dealing with new social situations. In addition to the above problems, social experts that require social guidance service are the ability of individuals to socialize with their environment, individual ability to adapt, the ability of individuals to carry out social relation, social interaction with their environment, both the family, school, and community environment. Purpose of social counseling guidance. The main purpose of social guidance service is so that individuals who are guided are able to carry out social interaction well with their environment. Social guidance also aims to assist individuals in solving and overcoming difficulties in social problems so that individuals can adjust properly and fairly in their social environment. In detail, the objectives of social counseling guidance are have a strong commitment in practicing the values of faith and piety to good amenity both in personal life, family, education, with peers, school, madrasah, workplace, and society in general. Have an attitude of tolerance towards people of other religions by respecting and maintaining each other's rights and obligations. Have an understanding of the fluctuating rhythm of life between the pleasant gift and the unpleasant disaster, and be able to respond positively to the teaching of the religion adopted. Have an understanding and self-acceptance objectively and contrarily, but related to stage and weaknesses, but physically and physiologically. Have a positive attitude or respect for yourself and others. Being respectful of others, respecting or appreciating others, not belittling his dignity or self-worth, have a sense of responsibility which is manifested in the form of commitment to their duties and obligation. Have the ability to interact socially, human relationship which is manifested in the forms of friendship, brotherhood, or friendship with fellow human beings. Have the ability to resolve conflict problems, but internally within oneself and with others. Have the ability to make decisions effectively. So, the points are from the description above, it can be concluded that guidance is assistance given to individuals continuously and systematically, which aims to assist the process of developing self-potential through social patterns that are carried out daily in the school, family, and community environment. The intended social patterns are patterns in which the individual can make adjustment to his environment. Social guidance is a field of service that assists students in understanding and assessing as well as developing healthy and effective social relationship skills with peers, family members, and members of the wider social environment. The main purpose of social guidance service is so that individuals who are guided are able to carry out social interaction with their environment. Social guidance also aims to assist individuals in solving and overcoming social difficulties so that individuals can adjust well and reasonably in their social environment. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.